Okay, so this is part two. Part one, we have fixed this deck, so there's deck one, and we had the fault with the resistor, so that's all okay now. We've got another exactly the same model, an RS-TR373, and again it was working mechanically, and I probably should have shown this, but I've already dismantled it. Whoops! But there was no sound output whatsoever. You put a tape in, press play, zero sound output. So checked mechanically again, went through it piece by piece. And believe it or not, it was the exact same problem. So again, the resistor down here, and it's resistor number R372, and there's a pair of them there, as you can see. Sorry, my camera's not the best. And it's the same fault, exactly the same fault, which I'm shocked about really, because you would not think two machines that were listed as faulty on eBay would have the exact same fault. So yeah, again, just going to replace this resistor. I'm going to try and show you the continuity check, although I am doing this with one hand. Just bear with me a second. Okay, so I've got positive on, and really need to buy a tripod. And you can see there's nothing coming up on the voltmeter there, on the continuity checker. And those are bang on the resistor. Whereas if I do the one next door, hopefully, he says, and this is, you can hear the beep in there, and that's on the 631. So again, that's got continuity in it. So yeah, just thought I'd show you the fault. So yeah, so the 631 and R632. So at 632, there is no continuity. So again, it's the same fault. So causing no sound, board is out. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and again solder on a replacement, again from CPC. I rung a couple of wholesalers, but they didn't have any of these in stock, but then I managed to find these. Now, it does say that there's supposed to be a fused resistor. I'm not going to pretend I know the exact difference between fused and unfused, but I'm putting one of these in, which is the exact same. It's 0.25 watts and 27 ohms resistance, and again I've got 50. I'm not sure I'm going to be repairing 50 of them, but anyway. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and solder that one in, and then hopefully we'll get some playback again from good old Humpty Dumpty. Okay, right, so I'll be back soon. Okay, so managed to solder the other bit back on, and you can see it over there. So again, I'm still shocked it's the same problem with deck one. So right, let's fire it up and see if we get some sound. So power on, we've got that up and running, open the deck. Good old Humpty Dumpty again, let's fire that in. Close it up, and I've got my speaker set up ready. Give it a play. Excellent. What a tune. So yeah, again, same issue, both decks, all repaired. And it was just that little pesky resistor. Again, I'll put it online and link to it. So yeah, two working decks. So yeah, happy days.